Now, Pano or panoramic mode has been around like forever, but I bet I'm about to show you some things about that mode that you never even knew were possible. When we fire up Pano mode, we see the white arrow pointing left to right along a guide bar. But did you know that you can simply tap the arrow to make it start from the right side? I know, that's a game changer for your panoramic compositions. You should always long press on the brightest area of your composition to lock your exposure before starting a pano. This will keep your colours consistent as you pan around through light and dark areas. You can also switch between your different focal length lenses to go from ultra wide, wide, right through to tele as well. I normally stick to my wide angle lens when using Pano mode. Most people take a Pano photo by pressing the shutter once to start and then another tap to stop. But you can also start the Pano that way and then simply tilt the phone up or down to end the shot. It's also possible to long press the shutter for the desired duration of your Pano image. Vertical panos are also possible. Just rotate your phone around and tilt up or down for the duration of your shot. Above all, experiment, have a play. Panoramic mode is full of creative surprises. If you enjoyed that tip, please consider subscribing to my channel. And in fact, if you want to stay connected and soak up all of my absolute best iPhone camera tips updated for 2023, do not miss this one right here, because I tell you what, even if you thought you knew all there was to know about your iPhone's camera, there's going to be stuff in here that's going to absolutely blow your mind. See you there.